If you ever stared at your phone thinking, what do I post today? Well, this video is for you because most content creators don't struggle with editing. They struggle with coming up with ideas. So today I'm going to show you how I use AI to help me come up with 30 short form videos under 1 hour. Hey, my name is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery, and now incorporating how-to tutorials creating prompts to help you create short video forms, t-shirt ideas, or anything else in general that's going to help you be successful for your business. And with that, those of you who watch my videos, half of you do not subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel or hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. For those who are actually looking for this type of content, the algorithm will help push this video to their feeds. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. So the first step that we need to do is we have to get AI to help batch ideas for us. For this topic, we are going to use motivation, and we're going to ask AI to batch us 30 ideas so we can select from those ideas to give us one topic that we want to talk about. So let's ask AI, give me 30 short motivational phrases about overcoming struggles. Boom. As you can see, it's an instant list. You have 30 videos already planned in just 10 seconds. And now step 2. And now what I'll do is I'll ask ChatGPT to help me turn each phrase into a 10 or 15 second script. And this is what I would write. Turn each of these into 2 short sentence motivational scripts for my TikTok channel. And now AI will write your voiceover lines instantly. Then we're going to move on to step 3. Instead of filming 30 videos, I generate graphics. And then I use prompts like minimalist, motivational typography, bold and black white phrases, vertical 9:16 high, contrast, and with a clean background. Then I'll say, generate 30 videos fast. Now these become your backgrounds for your videos. And then we're on to step 4. Auto voice and text animation. And now I'll choose one of 2 options. Option 1, AI voiceover. Option 2, simple text animation, which I like to use a lot. And now you can either drop everything in CapCut or you can also use Canva. There are also multiple variations out there of apps that you can use. I would recommend that you use the one that you like the most. So this is what I would do. I would use one template, duplicate it 30 times, and then just swap the text. Don't edit 30 times. Edit once, then duplicate. Step 5, and here, this is where the actual speed happens. Because everything is used by the same template, I export all 30 at once. This is going to make minutes, not hours. So now let's go and recap our workflow. Here is the whole system broken down. Ideas, scripts, graphics, templates, duplicate, and export. And that's it. No overthinking. You're not getting burned out, and you're producing volume. And if you want to even get quicker at this, here is a quick tip. Use one style of font for everything. One color palette, one template. Change only the words for the script, and finally batch once a week. That way you're set up for the whole month, and all you have to do is just post. So as you can see, most content creators fail because they're trying to be perfect. Creators who grow fast focus on volume, and AI lets you work smarter and not longer. So imagine posting every single day with no stress. That's the goal. So if you want my exact prompts and templates, comment system and I'll share more. Thanks again for watching. You all have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week. And peace.